Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Surya. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to create an awesome intro for your gaming channel, etc. like that. So this is the preview, guys. So guys, let's start. First, create a new project, 16:9 ratio aspect. So go to media. After going to media, go to background. Then choose a black color background, and then okay. Now the background's duration is 4 seconds, right? Make it 7 seconds, like that. That's it. Now go to the starting, guys. Click on layer. Go to media. Select your logo, guys. And that's it. Okay, now make this logo's duration full. That's it. So guys, from now exactly go to 2 seconds, then there just go to layer, then effects, then guys you can go to get more, and in KineMaster Asset Store you'll scroll and you'll have this effect, scan wave effect. Just download that. After downloading, guys, click on scan wave and just apply this effect. So guys, this effect's duration, now you have to reduce it. So make it like 500 like that. That's it, guys. That's enough. It'll look like this. That's nice, right? Okay, now what we're gonna do is that click this effect and go to settings. This enable scanline, you make it 0, and this enable noise also. That's it. Over. It'll look like this, guys. Now what you're gonna do is you have to export this, guys. This part is over. Export it. So after exporting, guys, go back, go take a new project, 16:9 ratio, go to media, and select your this download. Guys, this video, I kept this video's link in the description, so check it out, guys. And so this is. So guys, now at exactly 11 seconds like that. Yes. Now what you're gonna do is that go to layer, guys, media, and choose your export, guys. That's it. Now on the right side, go to just scroll it, guys, and here's something that blending, right, guys. Here's blending option, right? So click on that. And here, if you scroll, guys, this thing is the screen. Just click on that and okay. It'll look. Okay, guys, click this photo, and in animation you have to keep it fade, guys. 1 second duration, like that. Okay, guys, now go to layer, go to effects, then this option, this effect will also be there, guys. Jumbotron, select it. Okay, after you put this effect, guys, click on this effect, and at the right settings option is there, right? Click on that, and the circle size, guys, it's 15, right? Make it 2. Now, then okay. So guys, this. So guys, now what we're gonna go is first go back to the same position, guys. Now select your video and go to cropping, enable the mask, and feather should be 50. Then shape, select circle. That's it, guys. Guys, click on Jumbotron, and this shape also it should be circle, guys. Feather, let it be 0. That's it. this Jumbotron effect is a bit long, so we'll make it a bit short, guys. So make it into like 1 second point, like that, 400. That's it. So guys, now click on this effect and click on these 3 circles, right? This option, and like select fade option. That's it, guys. Keep it like 1. So guys, the speed is 1. Then out animation also, you choose fade. Speed is 1. That's it. Now guys, at the left hand side, the settings option is there, right? Click on that and go to video, and this video fade out, guys, click just enable it. It's disabled, so enable it, guys. It's 2 seconds, right? Make it like 1 second, guys. That's it. Okay, now guys, let's see. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please click on the like button, and do not forget to comment, guys. Every person who views this video should comment, okay? And please do not forget to subscribe for more updates from me. You know, I make videos on music, etc., and technology. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.